My name is Chad Sumler. I'm the product manager for the CV Series medium duty truck. The CV was our re-entry into the Class 4-5 market. That market was hungry for a true commercial truck. Not a pickup truck on steroids, but a true commercial truck. I'd like to point out right here in the front of the truck, the frame rail comes out the front. That's a one-piece frame rail from the front of this truck all the way to the rear, just the same as in our larger HV and HX trucks. That's unmatched in this category. GVW is available up to 23,500 pounds, so that's creeping into the Class 6 category. GCW is a total combined of 37,000 pound capacity. On the outside, you'll notice we have steps. Steps are standard. Right here in front of us is these new mirrors we have that are extra wide for a 102-inch body. We have a backup camera that's available, comes with the truck with harness so that you can mount this backup camera on the body wherever you like. In addition to the switches we have available in the dash, we have a new option of a 6-pack in the ceiling. This helps with the bodybuilders that need extra switches to operate various functions on the body. To look at the ease at which I open the hood, and more importantly, what you can see, touch, and service under the hood, it's unrivaled in this category. As you can see, you have access to your power steering, translucent bottle, easily checked. Your brake fluid, again, very easily checked. It's easy to access your transmission dipstick, your oil dipstick, to check those fluids. On competitors' trucks with alligator hoods, you can't begin to touch those without a step stool or climbing up on the bumper of the truck, which can be very dangerous. Another great feature of the CV is a factory air ride. So from the DNA of our larger trucks, we have an air ride similar to its big cousin, the MV, to ease the bumps that you're going to have every day. Fuel capacity, we have the option of a 25-gallon saddle tank, a 40-gallon AF tank, or both for a total of 65 gallons of fuel. Fleets that run commercial trucks, these trucks are tools for them. They're not driving the truck to the office. It's a tool making money. Our service network is different from automotive service networks. Every truck that comes in our shop is a tool. And we understand that, and that's why most international dealerships are open for a second shift, and some even a third shift, in order to get that truck fixed and back to you as soon as possible. That is just one of the advantages of a Class 4-5 truck from International.